Oh, she's having breakfast.
What does it say?
What does that breakfast say?
The sky is the limit. Oh, Peyton's so
clever. Uh-oh. The sky is the limit for us. What does that mean?
Well, there's a joke behind that. Because I got Peyton this movie and I made like a little thing that you have to read so you have a clue for every movie. And I thought I got Limitless, so I put the sky is the limit for this movie, but it was actually Inception. So it didn't go with anything like that.
So I wonder where your next clue would be.
I don't know. The sky?
Yeah, he heard a plane.
I don't know what it would. Well, we have to go to breakfast, right?
No, that is the breakfast.
Oh, that's my breakfast.
Yeah.
Oh.
So if that says the sky's the limit, and that has to deal with what movie?
Limitless. I have to watch Limitless?
No.
Oh.
Well, what movie did you think it was?
Inception.
I don't know. Maybe Inception. Maybe it's laying around here somewhere. I don't know. Maybe you should check your room. I don't know.
Maybe.
That could be. I don't know. But you should get dressed first and then call me in there.
Okay.
And then we can do it.
Then call it.